What are the benefits of location technologies? Location technologies are incredibly useful tools in leading your manufacturing and logistics operations towards the next indicator of success, improving productivity. The greater your overall productivity is, the greater your capacity is, which leads to increased revenue. Location technologies provide asset visibility that makes it quicker and easier to complete daily tasks. Enabling compliance. Proving compliance means having reliable methods in place to quickly identify failing. By using location technologies, your organization can reduce the chance of issues and fees. Extending asset life. When it comes to the equipment that you use, it is best practice to ensure that they last as long as possible in order to reduce cost and downtime. Enhancing customer service. Ensuring quality and efficiency in your operations helps you provide best possible service. Location technologies enable this advancement by helping you improve efficiency and evoke consistency, informing operational decisions. Location technologies empower your manufacturing or logistics operations to collect and maintain data, leading to better decision-making down the road. Want to learn more? Visit our website at link-labs.com and be sure to subscribe to all of our social media platforms for more information.